question which I got from many of you is what happens if query or parameters are not available, like nothing is available to verify completeness and accuracy. What needs to be done in that case? Friends, answer is simple. What you do in that case is you work side by side with the technical teams who are pulling evidence. You work with them either in person or on a video call to see how the evidence is being generated, the steps being followed, which will help you gain comfort that it is complete and accurate. So objective is to clear your doubts in real time alongside the technical teams in the absence of formal queries, parameters to verify completeness and accuracy. Like if they cannot give you anything because it's very ad hoc in nature, then you just sit with them and understand how are they pulling it and if it is looking robust enough to verify completeness and accuracy. I also have a couple of separate viewer question videos related to this completeness and accuracy topic, so please feel free to watch them as well for better understanding.